Hi guys, I have a line which slopes at 2% from 100 to 93.918 based on the length of the line. Let's see how I did it. So let's go and draw a straight line. It can be curved or whatever. Maybe we'll do a little curved line. So I'll put it on here, layer 0 for this purpose. I'll create a line here, and I'm not gonna attach any elevation to it so far. And my computer is just not cooperating today. And let's put let's say a best fit arc here. Okay, so we have a line. Now, as you can see, it's on no elevation, it's at 0. We're gonna edit it, and we're gonna put in elevation of, let's say, 100. So that does elevate the whole line at the 100 mark. Now, if let's say if I wanted to attach a 2% slope to this line, how would I do it? Well, there is few different approaches. Obviously, one of them is find out the length of the line, which is here. Length is 304.120. Calculate what would be the 2% at that distance, and attach that elevation or that difference to the last point. Now, obviously, Trimble is a nice office field software, and we can attach vertical independently to the horizontal points. So under edit line string, you see there a little vertical tab. Once you click it, you can click and location, distance along. So I'm gonna click the end point and attach elevation. Now there is few different options. So you have incoming slope, ongoing slope, slow intersection line. So today let's go and let's try the incoming slope at -2% and hit save. Now if we did this correctly, we wanted 2% slope down to the end of the line, and as you can see, it did write it down here as that we have elevation of 93.918 at 2%. And also, if I had that done, so let's go undo. As you can see, and this line in 3D view here, and now I'm gonna do redo at 2%. So as you see, the line kind of went over from the straight to the 2%. So this would be a real quick and easy tutorial on how to attach any slope to any line. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next one.